Hello, hi guys. I welcome you to Smart Kida Current Affairs mock test 7th April. Before starting, let me check whether the video is being recorded or not. Yes, it's being recorded. So, Mayan Man Yam Konda Jatara is idol shifting festival from which state to Andhra Pradesh? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is none of these. An inter-religious state festival in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha with quartet of deities went off peacefully without any untoward incident in the left-wing extremism infested area. Mayan Manyama Konda Jatara, the village festival which entails shifting idols from Odisha to Andhra at Poluru village in Mothugedam mandal of East Godavari district, ended on Monday evening. Amboli, which has been named as biodiversity heritage site, is located at which state? In which state? The correct answer for the same is Maharashtra. So the state government of Maharashtra has declared Amboli region in Western Ghats in Sindhugarh district as a biodiversity heritage site. This comes at the backdrop of discovery of a rare colorful freshwater fish species, Shichutra hiranyakeshi, in the region. So Shichutra hiranyakeshi comes under the subspecies of rare Shichutra, a freshwater loach that lives in the water bodies with abundance of oxygen. Anil Dharkar died of cardiac ailment at a Mumbai hospital. He was what? The correct answer for the same is both A and B. So he was both a writer and a journalist. So he was a journalist and writer. Anil Dharkar died of a cardiac ailment at Mumbai hospital on Friday. He was 74 years old. He had been admitted for a scheduled bypass surgery. The founder and director of the Mumbai International Literary Festival and Tata Literature Live, Dharkar has been battling cardiac issues for a few years. Who among the following booked her tickets for the Tokyo Olympic Games after she sent the discus to 65.06 meters in her first and only legal throw at the 24th Federation Cup Senior Athletic Championship in Patiala? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Kamalpreet Kaur. So Kamalpreet Kaur booked her ticket for the Tokyo Olympic Games after she sent the discus to 65.06 meter in her first and only legal throw at the 24th Federation Cup Senior Athletic Championship. She defeated Punia. Which of the following two countries are going to host 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup? The correct answer for the same is Australia and New Zealand. So New Zealand are going to host the World Cup. This will be played across 9 cities in the New Zealand and Australia. The two semi-final matches will be split between Australia and New Zealand, with the full schedule to be announced later this year. Right, so you can see it here. Opening match will be at Auckland, whereas Sydney Stadium, Australia will host the final. Ministry of Jal Shakti is to deploy IoT devices for monitoring rural drinking water supply schemes. What does IoT stands for? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Internet of Things. So this is the correct answer. In a bid to monitor rural drinking water supply systems, has decided to base sensor-based IoT devices to effectively monitor the implementation of Jal Jeevan mission. For this, National Jal Jeevan Mission, in collaboration with Tata Community Initiative Trust and Tata Trust, has completed pilot projects in the several remote villages of 5 states, that is Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Himachal Pradesh. Who among the following has assumed additional charge of the post of chairman and managing director following superannuation of Shashi Shankar? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer is Subhash Kumar. So Subhash Kumar has assumed the additional charge of the post of chairman and managing director following superannuation of Shashi Shankar on March 31. So Kumar is an industry veteran with over 36 years of experience in diverse activities across exploration and product value chain. He joined ONGC in 1985 as finance and accounts officer and served in different capacities. Which firm has signed a 22-year contract with the Reliance Bangladesh LNG and Power Limited to provide maintenance services for its upcoming 718 megawatt combined cycle power plant? The correct answer for the same is GE Power India. So GE Power India has signed a 22-year contract with Reliance Bangladesh LNG and Power Limited to provide maintenance services for its upcoming 718 megawatt combined cycle power plant. The Reserve Bank of India has set the ways and means advances limit at what amount for the central government for first half of the financial year beginning April 1? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is 1.2 lakh crore. So Reserve Bank of India has set the limit of 1.2 lakh crore for the first half of the next fiscal. WMAs are temporary advances given by the RBI to the government to tide over any mismatch in receipt and payments. It has been decided in consultation with Government of India that the limit for ways and mean advances for the first half of the financial year 21-22 will be rupees 1,20,000 crore, the central bank said in a statement. Which bank and Axis Bank have tied up with global e-commerce major Amazon and cards major Visa to launch a retail payment entity which will be a rival to state-owned NPCI? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank and Axis Bank these are leading private sector lenders bank, and they have tied up with global e-commerce major Amazon and cards major Visa to launch a retail payment entity which will be a rival to state-owned NPCI, official state on Wednesday. So you can see it here. India ranked 140th out of 156 country in WEF's Global Gender Gap Report. Which of the following countries has topped the list? The correct answer for the same is Iceland. So Iceland is the world's best country for gender equality and Afghanistan the worst. Right? This is according to the World Economic Forum Index. Overall, this year report finds that progress has stagnated with widening gender gaps in political empowerment globally. That means at the current rate, it will take almost 136 years for the overall global gender gap to close. Who among the following has inaugurated cruise ship service between Surat and Diu? Kindly give the correct answer. Answer for the same is Mansukh Mandavia. So Union Minister for State of Ports Shipping Mansukh Mandavia on Wednesday flagged off the cruise service from Hazira port of Surat to Diu via video conferencing. You can see it here. Atal Innovation Mission has launched which program in partnership with BMGF and Venture Center? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is AI, AIM and Prime. So in a major push toward deep technology and driving the country to become a digitally transformed nation, Atal Innovation Mission Niti Aayog today launched AIM Prime, program for researchers on innovations, market readiness and entrepreneurship. ये इसका full form है. This is the full form for this. This is an initiative to promote and support science-based deep tech startups and ventures across India. In this regard, AIM has joined hands with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to launch this nationwide program, which will be implemented by Venture Center, a non-profit technology business incubator. International Children's Book Day 2021 was observed on which date? The correct answer for the same is April 2. So International Children's Book Day was observed on 2nd April. It is celebrated every year on 2nd April. Organized by IBBY, International Board on Books for Young People. Different national sponsors are chosen each year to represent Children's Book Day internationally. Representatives from chosen country usually include a renowned author. They choose a world theme and create messages to send to the world. World Autism Awareness Day 2021 was observed on which date? The correct answer for the same is April 2. So on April 2, United Nations celebrates World Autism Awareness Day with the sole motive to spread awareness among the people about autism. Raising awareness will help people understand and accept those who are suffering from autism, support them and spread kindness. So autism spectrum disorder is a development disability that causes several challenges for an individual, including social, communication and behavioral difficulties. Through various organizations all over the world contribute to diagnosis and treatment of ASD, it is important for people to know about this disorder. Venkaiah Naidu has released book Agriculture in India, Contemporary Challenges in the context of doubling farmers' income. Who among the following is the author of the book? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Mohan Kanda. So Mohan Kanda is the author of this book. He has written the book Agriculture in India, Contemporary Challenges in the context of doubling farmer income. He is former AP Chief Secretary. It also highlights synthesis of challenges concerning agriculture research, development, policy and programs. Former UBI Governor Urjit Patel has been appointed as the additional director of which company? The correct answer for the same is Britannia. So the Board of Britannia Industries has appointed former Reserve Bank Governor Urjit Patel as company's additional director in the category of non-executive and independent director. He has been appointed additional director from March 31 for a 5-year period. You can see it here. Mukhmeet S. Bhatia has assumed charge as Director General of. Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Employees State Insurance Corporation. So he has assumed as a charge director of the ESIC. He is the IAS officer of the Jharkhand cadre. Who among the following has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Slovakia? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Edward Heger. So Edward Heger has been appointed as the new Prime Minister on Thursday, ending month-long political crisis. Heger taking over his party chairman Igor Matovic, who in turn takes Heger's former seat at the finance ministry. The swap is aimed at quelling coalition disputes sparked by Matovic's surprise purchase of Russian coronavirus vaccine Sputnik V in March. Labour Ministry has set up how many expert committees to review standards under the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition Code 2020? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is 3. So it has set up 3 panels under it, and these are 3 expert committees to review the existing rules and regulations pertaining to safety, fire, and other working conditions, and to suggest safety related standards for factories under the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020. This has been enacted after 13 different labor legislations and to simplify the laws regulating the occupational safety, health and working condition in establishments. Thank you very much.